Are you tired of feeling shy and quiet in social situations? Do you long to unlock your confidence and embrace your true self? You're not alone. Shyness can be limiting, but fear not. In this guide, we've gathered 12 powerful tips that will empower you to overcome shyness and step into your full potential. From embracing your uniqueness to honing your communication skills, these actionable strategies will help you break free from your comfort zone and unlock your inner confidence. Get ready to transform your social interactions and embrace your true self with these empowering tips. 1. Embrace your inner awesomeness. It's time to recognize your worth and embrace your inner awesomeness. Shift your focus from self-doubt to self-acknowledgement by celebrating your accomplishments, talents, and positive qualities. Give yourself credit for your unique strengths and let your self-esteem soar. By recognizing your own worth, you'll boost your confidence and step into your power. You are amazing, and it's time to own it. Embrace your inner awesomeness and watch your confidence soar to new heights. 2. Prioritize self-care. It's time to prioritize yourself and elevate your well-being to a whole new level. Taking care of yourself holistically, physically, mentally, and emotionally is the key to unlocking your confidence. Get enough sleep, fuel your body with nourishing food, stay active through regular exercise, and practice self-compassion. But that's not all. Good hygiene is also essential. Maintain proper grooming habits, keep yourself clean and fresh, and put your best foot forward. When you prioritize self-care, you'll feel rejuvenated and ready to conquer the world. Your enhanced well-being will positively impact your social interactions, making you shine with confidence. 3. Unleash your uniqueness. Recognize that you are a one-of-a-kind individual with your own quirks, talents, and qualities. Embrace what makes you unique and special, whether it's your sense of humor, creativity, or kindness. Celebrate your individuality and appreciate the distinctiveness that you bring to the world. 4. Develop self-awareness. Cultivate a deep understanding of yourself by reflecting on your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Gain insight into your strengths, weaknesses, and triggers. This self-awareness will empower you to make positive changes in your interactions with others. 5. Hone your communication skills. Sharpen your ability to express yourself effectively. Practice active listening, articulate your thoughts clearly, and engage in meaningful conversations. Communication skills are essential in building connections and expressing yourself confidently. 6. Show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. It's time to ignite authentic connections by showing genuine interest in others. Demonstrate curiosity and empathy by asking open-ended questions, listening attentively, and showing genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. Building authentic connections with others not only helps you connect on a deeper level, but also boosts your confidence by making you feel more at ease in social situations. 7. Relaxation techniques for social confidence. Learn how to utilize relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, mindfulness, or progressive muscle relaxation, to manage anxiety and stay composed in stressful social situations. These techniques can help you cultivate inner calm and boost your social confidence, allowing you to navigate social settings with ease and poise. Say goodbye to social stress and hello to a more confident, relaxed you. 8. Release muscle tension. Be mindful of tension in your body, whether it's in your shoulders, jaw, or other areas where it tends to accumulate. Consciously release it and feel the difference. Physical relaxation can work wonders in helping you feel more comfortable and confident in social interactions. Imagine walking into any social setting with a relaxed, confident presence. Learn how to let go of muscle tension and unlock your social confidence like never before. 9. Maintain visual connection. Make intentional eye contact during conversations. It shows that you are engaged and attentive, and it helps build a connection with others. However, avoid staring intensely, as it may make others uncomfortable. 10. Be present in the moment. Don't let distractions steal your social thunder. Practice mindfulness and stay fully present in the moment during social interactions. Be in the here and now, and avoid getting lost in thoughts about the past or future. Instead, focus on the person in front of you, listen attentively, and respond authentically. Discover the power of mindful engagement and watch your social presence soar to new heights. Be present, be attentive, and be authentically you in every social interaction. 11. Observe and imitate. Pay attention to how others socially interact and notice their positive behaviors. Observe their body language, tone of voice, and conversation style, and adapt them to your own comfort level and personality. Imitating positive social cues can boost your confidence in social situations. 12. Try saying yes more often. Try saying yes more often refers to a mindset of being open to new experiences, opportunities, and challenges by actively choosing to say yes instead of defaulting to no out of fear, shyness, or hesitation. It involves being willing to step out of one's comfort zone, take risks, and embrace new possibilities in order to grow, learn, and expand one's horizons. Saying yes more often can lead to increased self-confidence, personal growth, and a more fulfilling and adventurous life. Remember, everyone's journey to overcoming shyness and boosting self-confidence is unique. Experiment with different strategies and find what works best for you. With practice and patience, you have the ability to unlock your confidence and embrace your true self. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoy watching. See you in the next video.